step into the Kia 2018 Optima Hybrid Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 154 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.